I'm gonna go live.
I'm alright.
What's up, YouTube? Let's get physical.
Wow, that was quick.
We got 9 minutes, 8.5 minutes left. 8.5.
I bet you that's
countdown.
better.
No,
Is that better?
not really.
You
lost
do.
Wait,
Some reason he sounds just like Coley. It's weird.
it's either.
No,
Oh, it sounds like.
That's what it looks like.
Wait a minute, is that
February
supposed?
close. What will March bring?
Is that supposed to be Jules?
Yeah, I'm
Well,
gonna go in and out. I
Coley.
guess maybe something's wrong.
You sound like.
not
Something's
good.
wrong.
You
Coley?
sound like that other dude. What's his face?
Jules.
No, he was on here before. I'm seeing if he's still
Man,
here.
your memory's shocking.
Yeah, man. The things you remember, the things you don't.
Well, I just ate the cherry out of my whiskey drink, so I went without wine.
Yeah, there you go.
He remembers the last
Oh,
time
that
he was
means
at that state.
The glass is empty, so.
Yeah, there's levels. When you get so messed up on something, you have to get back to that same spot. to
I'm
remember
not
stuff.
messed up at all. It's a shame because now I gotta have another, and then, no, I'm just kidding.
This is my memories from the first drink of every night, and then this is
You
my
know-
memories from the fourth drink.
Years ago, I tried Ginkgo biloba. I think they were calling
Ginkgo
it,
biloba, yeah,
and
yeah.
it's good. And I'll tell you what, man, it does. I don't know about the memory thing, but it helps you feel up, like alert and whatever. But it does work. It's like an herb. It's an herbal thing.
Herb who?
A herb.
Oh, here, Jules, you sound like Ferrano. Ferrano, speak up. if you're
What's up,
That's 'cause you're both
YouTube?
from
What's up,
California.
David? What's up, buddy? What's up, Kenny? How are ya? Hope you're doing well. We've got 8 people tuned in. I'm in B's
Seriously,
Discord right
Toronto.
now with all the homies.
Get out to my swamp.
What's up, Blake?
That's weird.
Eki Alb.
Ooh.
Blake backwards.
Oh,
So what do we
Makes
got?
sense.
We got like 6 minutes. 6 minutes left of February. February has been an incredible month. Look at that. Would you look at that? We are, I thought we would get a close higher than this tweezer top, as in like the October-November monthly candles of 2021, but we're pretty much bang on it if we're going to close this out with 5 minutes left. We'll see. It looks like it's being very, I don't know, what would you call that? Is it like poetically closing at the same level? Or it's kind of like a comedy, like it's, oh, look at that, fancy that, closing right there.
Serendipitous.
Yeah, it's like, it's poetic, man. I mean, look at that level. It's so close to those monthlies right there. Oh yeah, let me share my
Crazy.
screen.
This
I'll
volume,
share my,
this
screen
is.
in Discord for you.
I think this is
Yeah.
by far the highest monthly volume Bitcoin has ever had.
Hmm.
The sarcastic is at the high.
So what color should this
Wow.
line be?
purple.
Gonna make it, yeah, purple.
I like
Purple's
purple.
overrated.
Purple. All right. Purple line. I'm gonna track it on like the hour or what's a
You
good
still
time frame?
streaming?
Like a 5
Rick?
minute.
Are you YouTubing,
Yeah,
Rick?
I'm YouTubing and streaming and all that good stuff.
Oh,
That's why I was
shit.
saying hello to people.
Should have warned me, dude.
Yeah, dude.
You gotta
Wow.
warn me.
I don't know if you did pick up on it.
You gotta.
Oh,
when
Sammy.
I come in
Oh,
hot,
Sammy.
all hot like.
You're right.
I don't want to lose
Check
your.
out the
viewers.
triangle on Bitcoin here as well. Something like this. Bomb.
Ooh,
There is some kind of
Yeah.
triangle action going on. If that gets cancelled out, like if the triangle fails, then we've got some kind of a range like that, which is kind of how we got stuck back over here. Let me go back. Yeah, there was this one that we were stuck in for like, I think it was
Look at
12
that
days.
run-up.
See this one?
Jeez. Yeah, that was brutal going sideways.
But I think there's a case to be made Let me just delete these so we can see it. I think there's a case to be made that this search here, where we searched out the top and then found the bottom after that Coinbase drama, was the range defining high and low. And that's what we got. We're smack bang in it right now. What do we got? 3 minutes left of the monthly. Yeah. So what do you guys think for March? What's the vibe? Do you think big green candle or a doji or a big corrective move of February, like a 50% retracement of Fed?
I've been saying down, but the
You
way
reckon
this is
down?
acting,
Bullish
Yeah.
as fuck. Bullish
Yeah,
as
what-
fuck until November 2025.
Yeah. Well, if you take
I mean,
if you take a fib of the March, let's do a fib of the entire, like a wick low to wick high of March. A pullback to 50, which is, I know Turbo likes his 50s. A 50% retrace would take us back down to like 52,934. Basically 53,000 would be a pullback. So if March has a wick down at some stage to go and test 53, I think that'd be pretty cool. That basically, and look at how it marries up with the top of our previous rectangle. That's a 53k touch, and then up. You know, maybe that's how it plays out. That could be a nice what do you call it? A nice opportunity to get in for those that missed all of this. That nice swing down.
KG's whiff is going on Robinhood.
Oh, good. Okay, whiff. Did that just come out, like that announcement? 'Cause I'll check the whiff chart if that's the case.
They just
Oh yeah, dude, look at that candle on whiff. Wow.
What a cat. Wow.
That's a 20% candle right there. Yep.
Beautiful.
And we are, how many minutes left of March? I mean of February? A minute and 15 seconds.
Can you spread the love with the cat and draw it?
Yeah, well, you can draw it.
Okay. No, it's good.
All right. Well, I want to capture this final minute on Bitcoin of March and see what we get. I'm gonna lock that away and hide it. That fib.
the final countdown.
Because look, this was that rectangle. How many days was this rectangle, by the way? 12 days, 4 hours, and that's how long it took to get a result out of the range. So we got like, what, 35 seconds? I don't know if it's going to scream in a direction just because the month closed, but it might. It might.
15 minutes later.
Yeah, it could take a couple hours to figure out.
It's probably going
I
to be
think
about a week
funding-
before that
Funding
you
happens
can really
right now
judge
too,
the
right?
monthly candle.
Right, but funding
Yeah, I don't
happens.
see any. Yeah,
10 seconds.
I don't see any
9, 8. Count it down.
on
my,
the Bitcoin charts. I don't see any unusual. No volume.
There it is.
One.
Boom.
Lift off.
Happy New Year.
Okay, that was a good February. It closed just below those other ones. If you want to get real technical about it, it's basically a
We are
yeah. I mean, when you zoom out, it's a pretty
Super
much
anticlimactic.
it's closing on anticlimactic, right? But
All right, so let's go up to all-time highs and then retrace 50%, and then start the bull market.
We're gonna do that backwards though. Yeah, let's do it.
well, welcome to March, guys. Welcome to March.
Yay.
Yay.
Thanks,
Well-
thanks for being there to welcome
Yeah,
us
you're ruining
already
Yeah.
ahead of time.
Yeah,
You're
I mean, I'm
ruining it
ahead of
for
time.
us.
You're behind time. Yeah. You guys are still in February. Sorry about that.
Yeah, I told you. You got the rope. You have the rope. Pull us in.
That's right.
Pull us in.
Anyway, I'm going to shut up for a while and I'm going to hang my washing out, but I'll be back in a minute.
Mm.
Alright.
All right.
Solana's
Adios.
doing okay. By the way,
Make sure
all
the
of-
geckos.
all of your watch lists will be reset now, as in for the day, obviously. Fresh day.
Did you ever put a shirt on, Rick, and have a gecko pop out?
What? No, I've had spiders. Silly's
The
up.
Geico gecko didn't.
I think
I have
Whiff
a
is going to have a
sleeping.
good day, KG, off that news. Whiff should have a pretty good day, I would say. Look at the way it erupted in the last hour. Wow. Bill,
Well,
the
yeah,
voice
it's getting
channel,
listed.
the Discord is B's Discord, B Crypto Live. If you look up B's YouTube channel, or if someone can throw a link to me, DM me a link in Discord, I can share it if I don't know if he wants that or not. But yeah, dude, Whiff today is already up 4%. CELO, CELO is up 10% already. This thing's ripping. CELO out of the gate. Getting March off to an explosive start. Silly, our boy Silly KG. I don't know if you still hold that Silly position, dude, from down at 2 cents or near 2 cents, but it basically, the top part of that is up. It went up 100%, 105, and climbing. Like, that Coinbase hiccup, though, oh, that was giant. Huge sell-off, and then huge swift recovery. Okay, I'll be back. I will be back.
Man. Wait for it.
Is that?
Sounds like you got splattered onto a wall by like a gun or something.
Yeah, the
Hang on
alien,
a second.
the aliens sucked them up into the spaceship.
My fucking thing is.
You're good now. You're good now. You just when you came in, it was like funny.
Oh. So, anyway, yeah. Is that the end of the bull run? Did the bull run happen already?
Yeah, I don't know.
Hmm.
All I've learned is don't play this choppy shit. It ain't worth it.
I just want to buy something and then have it go up 20,000% in a single fucking hour. What the fuck? Where is the bull market?
No. Just trending. I'll be back. Hold the fort down.
We'll hold it down as long as we can.
Resistance is futile.
It certainly appears to be in the Bitcoin chart lately. It's not even funny anymore. It was funny at first. Now it's like, holy shit!
Not
Is
funny.
this the world we live in nowadays? Like, wow, crazy. I'm just gonna add to this jazz me along. I don't give a fuck anymore. What the fuck? My mic just disconnected me for some reason. I hate when that shit happens. When it does something that I didn't ask it to do.
So I went for it down there, man. Trying to finally got home, was able to look at some charts, and I finally just pulled the trigger on this bet on these longs. How you guys all made out?
Not so bad.
All right. What did I miss?
Everything. The whole bull run.
The whole everything happened while you were out hanging out. You're washing. How's March going, guys? Good candle?
It's pretty boring so far.
It's pretty good.
It's pretty boring.
Hasn't really done anything yet. Yeah. Well, it's only been what, 15 minutes. It's up.
Right.
It is green, according to Bitcoin USDT on Binance. It is a green
So
candle.
far.
It's $90 up. I'm bullish.
I'm not even gonna start judging the monthly candle and
Yeah,
like until we're like a weekend.
15 minutes into the monthly. Yeah. Yeah, too. Yeah, you need like a good week or so of action. Where did February start on the chart? Let me see. Sound like Sammy. Let me see.
What's your theory on the dip? Do you think just a liquidation event? Do you guys think it's just part of a bigger pattern? I mean, what are your thoughts on that right now?
Like if it was to dip? Or do you mean the current pullback?
No, the dip that just occurred.
Oh,
I
The
think
one
it's
that
just
caused-
natural
I
profit
think
taking, consolidation, liquidity stabs. Like it's just consolidation.
I think it's
I mean, was it
I think
all coins all around, or was it Bitcoin too?
it's
Bitcoin.
everything naturally.
It was a little
taking
bit of
a
Bitcoin.
range. I think it's a range establishing retracement. That's what I would call it.
Yeah.
Every big explosive run, every impulse has an initial, it caps out a high, it marks it off on the chart, and then it pulls back to some degree, and then that becomes a range, and then usually
Yes,
I
sir.
think the extremes
Well,
of
that's
the range
usually.
are. Yeah, well, that's usually. I think usually the extremes of the range are determined quite early, usually, right?
Usually.
Though this one,
uh,
that was a high, that was a low, that was so we knew the range by this point, and it did it. It stayed in that range for the rest, like 3 more quarters of the range. There's like the halfway point.
It's crazy how things
third,
always
fourth.
happen the second I step away from the charts, bro. It's either
Well,
the
yeah.
second I go to sleep, or the second I step away from the chart for an hour.
Yeah, it happens to me all the time too. These guys always make fun of me for crying about it, but it really does. It's a thing. It happens.
Crying about what?
Amazing.
For
Uncanny.
example, I could be up all night till like 4 or 5 in the morning,
and miss, and it's all boring.
and then
Is it-
I knock out with
Yeah.
my device in my hand, and in the second I knock out, 20 minutes later,
Bam.
price action happens.
Yeah.
It's the Truman Show.
Yeah, I
buddy.
will sit and stare at the fucking chart for like 20 hours out of the day. And those 4 hours that I'm not looking at it, that's when everything happens.
Yep.
Seriously, bro. It's
Like I'll be
they
like,
know
nothing's happening. I'm just gonna walk away. You know, I'm
Mhm.
gonna go to the store for fucking 20 minutes. And then when you come back, that's when all the moves. It's like, all right, now it's taking off.
Yeah.
You go to the store for an hour or something, or you go to do something for somebody or whatever. Like if you have like an errand to run, like you go and do that, and like in that time span, like 1 or 2 hours, it's like that shit just happens. So end
Yeah.
up being like I miss a huge move, or I'm in a position and I walk away from it because it looks like it's fine and
And
nothing's
wait, let
happening.
me
It goes
guess.
way against me.
Something
Yeah,
happened.
that's exactly what happened.
Like a big thing
Yeah.
happens. Yeah.
It's a Truman Show.
A big thing will happen.
Dude, I
Check out-
We're
stepped
all
out
living the
after
same
I spoke
path
to you
in
guys.
different times.
Mm.
Remember when I was speaking to you guys about the what was it, the Jasmine, and then the XRP breaking out of the diamond pattern? I was like, okay, I'm gonna be pretty sad. I stepped away from the chart, got in the car, put all the new parts in the car, went to the shop. By the time I got to the shop and I'm talking to the mechanic, I look down, I'm negative like $8,000. I'm like, what the fuck just
yeah,
happened?
that's rough.
Dude, So yeah, right now I just finished putting I just put $3,000 on Jasmine longs and $2,000 on XRP long. I'm about to get that money back one way or another.
Wait,
Revenge trading.
there's the behavior of February right there. Between those two orange lines. It's all of Feb. Very cool.
Put a stop loss this time. Don't drain the account. You can afford to lose one trade, but if you lose everything on one trade, then you can't trade again.
Oh no, I have other bags. I got the just a more.
Yeah.
Well, I'm praying that this dip is part of that diamond pattern again. So I bought the bottom of that diamond on XRP, and then Jasmine, I was just protecting it. Thank God that money transferred over, because if that money would have been transferred over, that would have been another hit. They had the nerves to send me an email like, "Oh, your account is back to normal." Oh boy, I wanted to curse them out. I just wanted to tell them why, because y'all broke asses finally got your money back.
They're liquidating a ton of people.
Look at January compared to February. Choppy.
Choppity chop.
Yep. December was pretty cool. Started strong.
December was fucking awesome, man. Give me that back.
Yeah, I
Give me-
really
give me
liked
that type of
October. November was a grind,
Oh,
but it
fuck
ground-
October.
October was awesome, dude. Look at that moment there where it erupted. November was this situation, like where it was just a grind into a channel, but it was like grinding upwards.
I could fucking give me back what we had during the summer when we were going sideways between 25 and 30K. Give me that back. I understand now why people said, like, when I was a perma bull, like, and I would hear people say that, like, you know, these old timers be like, "Oh, I prefer a bear market. I actually prefer a bear market." It's like I finally learned to understand why they do. It's easier to trade.
To be honest with you, the XRP, and a few others are. I'm serious when I say this. I see a reverse dragons. I got a feeling we got much more dip coming.
We just might.
Right. So will the altcoins like that, or will they also dip if Bitcoin's going to do a dip? That's another question. It's highly likely that
Because I'm looking at like 6 hour, 12 hours, and I'm just like, remember I was saying that earlier today, that I was like, it looks like a little reverse dragon. And yeah, I mean, XRP is looking like it on a 6 hour chart.
We going down, homie.
Dude, I think Bitcoin's doing a bull pennant, to be honest. That's what I'm feeling, but see what happens with that. Well,
It does look like it's gonna rip.
Something will happen.
It's
But
not
we'll see.
it's not a feeling. It's what the chart has. You've got lower highs and higher lows. You know, basically a triangle at this point in time. When that fails, I'll be talking about the fail. But if it fails, you know, if we can hold this, it's
You
these
said
lows that are important. You what?
You said when.
When? Yeah. Well, when? Yeah. If or when it happens.
Oh yeah. Well, that's
Yeah.
usually.
Well, yeah.
Yes, usually.
That is usually.
Yeah, I'm trying to figure out where does that wick come into play on a pattern.
Yeah, exactly. Like, do we class that as part of the structure, that Coinbase
It's an anomaly.
or do you
Yeah, that's what I'm
ignore
trying to
it,
find
or-
out.
Yeah,
No,
It's
I
hard to
never
say.
ignore wicks, bro. They always mean
It's your future dump.
right.
Once you're finished your climb up, that's what your dump will look like.
Right. I think that if we have this candle fail on us, this triangle, then it becomes okay. Now we're hunting out a potential rectangle, like a range situation, like we've seen before, and then we have to figure out how long that rectangle is going to be a deal. Like how long is that going to be the situation?
We can get wrecked from every angle.
Yep. 'Cause look at this. These rectangles before. That was a long one. This was a painful one, but it had a lot of like moves up and down. This, you could class this as a rectangle as well. This one over here.
You did measure moves and inverse head and shoulders.
I think that was more of a triangle, dude. Look at that. Right there, look at that triangle.
I just posted it on general so you guys can see it.
Oh, yeah. I'm going to open it in my browser so that YouTube can see it, if you're cool with that. I did it anyway. That's cool. Inverse dragon, you say?
Yeah, I mean, that's what that looks like to me. But that wick at the belly, I mean, that's what's making me think other things.
You don't worry about that little guy right there.
It's kind of scary. But it was a Coinbase like drama. Like it was just something that happened, and it feels like
big thing that happened.
Yeah, it feels like we've already answered the questions of that. Like we've already, we've already sorted it out. Maybe
it's wicked.
He's whale games, man.
Yeah. Most likely. That's usually.
It's not back. I'm not back.
That is usually.
Bam, bam, bam.
I've sold back in September.
Hey, Rick.
Yeah.
I've sold.
What would happen if you drew a line across the top of them, all them candles right there, like from the 2 ears to the tail?
On Solana?
Like from right there. Yeah, right there. Yeah.
Oh.
Right across
the top?
It hits right there, right?
Or
yeah,
you
sure.
mean like this?
No,
or like this way?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, yeah. And like an infinity line?
Sure. Yep. That's in the cat.
But now, if you look at that image I gave out on that bearish dragon, if you notice, there's also a bearish divergence and the MACD is overbought.
Yeah. See what happens. See what'll happen.
Oh.
Zoom out a little bit, Rick.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's your problem right there. Hold on, don't move. I want to snap a picture of that 1 second.
All right.
A big old head and shoulders.
Hey, thank you.
Peace come again.
What's it doing on the inverted? Looks like a huge crash on the inverse.
Inverse looks like the S&P.
Bitcoin.
I mean, daily does
dude,
look like
this is good.
Like an invert.
Dude, this is shaping up. Look at it. It's attacking 62 almost. Like it's gonna come up and attack it. That's what it looks like.
Yeah, it does look like an invert.
Looks bullish.
It's an Adam and Eve, and the 0.5 on it is 61,970. And if you cross it, it's gonna pass the right ear to this small cat.
I don't know about you guys, but I'm gonna hunt some longs today with this fresh month, with Bitcoin doing this out of the gate.
Oh yeah, when the market opens green, I usually go long.
So far, so good.
Dude, Turbo Coin.
That was sarcasm.
You know Turbo? Remember Turbo?
I know Turbo.
Dude, that's up 58%. Turbo Coin. Turbo.
Turbo.
Let me go. I'm gonna add Turbo to my watch list. Actually,
you gonna watch it, boy? You gonna watch it, Turbo? This guy gonna watch you.
Yeah, I'll watch it. You keep an
He's
eye.
finna watch you.
What was
Okay.
that you were looking at on your screen, Solana?
Oh, whiff. This is whiff.
XRP.
What are you talking about?
No,
This
the one
one?
where I said don't move your screen for a
Oh,
second.
yeah,
I
that
want
was
to take a
Solana.
picture.
Yes, Solana.
Okay.
Solana hourly zoomed right out. That's what it was. Or 4 hour, maybe.
Right out.
Right out. Like way out. As far as they'll let you.
Way up.
Okay, whiff is getting a whiff of it, and it is actually still being strong
Back in the thick
off
of
the
it.
back of that news, that listing news announcement, whatever. What did you say, KG, if you're there? You said it was going to get listed to something?
It did or something. I don't know. I forgot.
I'll go. I'll scroll. Let me find it. He said...
I was going to listen to Robinhood.
Robinhood. Okay.
What? Whiff is?
Yeah, Whiff
Yep.
just announced.
No.
That's the new
No
Doge.
way.
That's the new.
There you go.
All right. A new Dogecoin, apparently.
Right. Dog with hat.
Dog without hat and dog with hat.
Mm-hmm.
This means this dog's gonna cap though. Doge does not.
Just throw a hat on.
Do you guys
yeah.
believe yet? Do you believe now?
I believe that a bunch of fucking people are gonna buy a fucking meme coin once it gets
Sounds
listed
like
on
a dog.
Robinhood because
I
it's gonna
mean-
be all that they can fucking buy.
Yeah,
Guys,
when-
this is the time. Do you see
Oh,
what's happening?
silly, dude.
We got Coinbase. We got everything. Got everyone hyped.
all the
everything's
ducks are lined
going.
up. Yeah.
Time to get short.
Everything's lined up.
Our boy-
This move, dude, we're gonna fucking.
Our boy Silly's
Don't-
moving too. Look at that candle. It's up 6% already on the day. It's been 32 minutes.
I know I can't look at it, Rick. I took my profit today.
Oh, did you? That's cool. I mean, it was still a good
It's
play.
gonna rip then.
You held the 2 cent level, right? That 2 something or other long.
Yeah,
And
I
that thing
didn't
went up
even know that it came
100%,
down
man. Yeah,
would you
you
take
didn't even
profit
know
here?
about the Coinbase did.
because
That's-
I was up 14K. I don't know.
I'm just kidding, man.
And I watched
I
it
don't
go
even
down
like
in
that.
a second the other day.
I just said it because you said get out.
Wow.
My go-to.
Crypto is not dead. Well done. $1,800 off that XRP long that you took.
Dun, dun, dun.
Look at the prices. Entry 58, and then last price 59. That's not even that far up. That's incredible.
I'm thinking it's gonna happen tonight or tomorrow. All-time highs.
Next Thursday. Thursday is next. I mean, absolutely.
Are you positive?
No, I even looked.
I am. Yeah.
Somewhere in the next 2 weeks.
Look what we're doing. Look at this. This is what it
Yeah,
was like
Whiff-
back then.
Whiff is going, man. Look at this. Dog with hat. So is it listed? Is it live, or is it just the news that they're gonna do it? You know what I mean? Is there a
Well, it may
discrepancy
be,
there?
I needed to run. I'm already
I
in
think
it.
it's EU, but it doesn't really matter. It's just a catalyst.
So who has Robinhood, and can you see Whiff available? That's the question.
They're not gonna. It took them fucking 85 years to put SHIB on. They said that they were gonna list SHIB like 100 times, and then like finally 2 years later they finally listed SHIB. So I mean, holding my
it's not
breath for
on
something
there.
like
I
Whiff.
just checked my
Whiff.
account. It's not on there.
Okay, so
I
it's just a whiff of a news event.
No, it's supposedly they don't have crypto really on. Well, they do, but they don't. I don't know if it's just EU or if it's for the States. Regardless, it's news that will absolutely pump it.
Create some action, right?
You're talking about Whiff?
Yep.
Oh, okay.
Dog with hat.
Fucking meme coins, dude.
I know, right?
People don't understand crypto. That's why they just buy some shit that's like has to do with dogs because everybody likes dogs, and they're like, all right, well, I'll just wait for this to go up 20,000%, and I'll get rich off for $100. And then when it tanks, they get super mad.
You just longed Jasmine yesterday.
Yeah.
What is
What are you
Jasmine?
talking
Do you
It
know
had
what
a
it
bullish
is?
setup.
Mm.
No, it's got something to do with China.
Japan or China? Jasmine. I think it's Japanese, isn't it?
All right, so it says
If Soul breaks this right here, it's off the races. It's a weird,
Yes.
actually huge cat that it made.
oh, it
Yeah,
is
Seoul's doing
it
well,
is
man.
Tokyo. It is Japan.
Yeah,
Tokyo-based
Japan.
Internet
Well,
of Things.
Well,
Inter-
hence the
IoT,
JA
Internet of
in
Things.
Jasmine. Yeah.
Jasmine Corporation, as a system of the Internet of Things, includes mechanical and digital elements endowed with an identifier and the ability
you
to
doing?
transmit data. The
Turbo, do you see
IoT company Jasmine specializes in buying, selling data, and the Jasmine platform connects two categories: service providers and data users.
Yeah. Never do that again. But my God, I hate Jasmine.
It does.
I don't want to know
it does
anything
the
about
shit.
it.
And at least it does something. What the fuck does Dog with Hat do?
Make people
What
money. I
the
guess.
fuck did Doge do? And what the fuck did Bonk do?
Nothing.
Nothing,
I
exactly.
was gonna-
But
They
they
don't do
pump
absolutely
like
nothing.
crazy.
What have they ever done for mankind? Do you have a Dog with Hat phone or a Dog with Hat watch?
I mean, I have a dog, and sometimes I put a hat on him.
Oh, well, that makes sense then. Listen, I'm all in.
That's it.
I don't know. It sounds like you're
I
trying
mean,
to trying to
fuck.
shoot it down at the
Yeah,
moment, Kwai.
Turbo-
Sounds like you're trying to shoot it down.
Do you see the odd cat that Soul made?
No,
on that
it's just
15?
ridiculous. It's just ridiculous.
I know. You say it
That's
every day.
beautiful.
The reason why they
Good
they
for
I don't
pump
think so.
is because people that don't know anything about crypto just go and buy it.
But
That's the
not
only reason it
news.
pumps.
That shouldn't be surprising. That happened last cycle too.
Yeah, I mean,
That's not
I'm
anything
just
to
saying
like,
that's
be noted. I don't think. I think that's normal. That's crypto. Things
We
irrational.
do the same thing.
Yeah, it'll happen again with something else that hasn't even come out yet. I reckon. Likely, like meme
I
coins. If that
reckon.
makes sense.
Hey, I bought something the other day called SpongeBob or some shit.
Well, there you go.
It wasn't the other day. It was a couple weeks ago. It's
Wait,
called
did you buy the
SpongeBob.
SpongeBob or the SpongeBob SquarePants?
I don't know. I think it's just called Sponge, and now I can't even fucking trade it. It won't let me. It won't let me buy or sell anymore. So I don't know what the hell's going on there.
So what you're saying is it absorbed your money?
Yeah, pretty much. I don't know if they've delisted it or what, but I can't buy more and I can't sell it and I can't do nothing. It's just in there. It's just in my spot account. Sponge. And I've got fucking 16,000 of them.
Wow, that's a lot of sponges.
Yeah.
So
But
is
anyway,
this,
yeah, some retard on the internet was like, buy this coin, it's gonna do 100x. I was like, alright, well, let's see. So I put like 20,
And it's
15,
linked
20 bucks
directly
on
to
it.
my account.
And yeah, right. And now I can't even fucking sell it if I wanted to. Oh yeah, great, awesome, dude. Locking up my fucking liquidity for your damn rug pull.
You're gonna
You bought
criticize other
SpongeBob
people
coin.
for buying random coins when you're
And then
doing the
talk-
same thing.
And then talk about
You
random
bought
coins like
SpongeBob.
that you bought into.
Jesus Christ, dude.
Oh,
You're
I'm not.
delusional.
No, I'm just. No, I'm
What's
not.
your-
I'm not
what's your
criticizing
angle, man?
anybody.
What's your angle?
I'm fucking. I'm just saying. There's
You want
shit
money-
crypto. There's real crypto. Then there's shit crypto. There's two
And all of them move.
distinct different categories.
Right.
Sponge is real though.
But you sound like a Bitcoin maxi getting angry at Dogecoin for going up to 69 cents or whatever it went to. That's what it sounds like. Reminds me of that. The maxis that get mad. And the XRP, you know who gets mad? The XRP army. They get angry at everything moving. They get very
Yeah,
mad
I hate
about it.
XRP, and I'm definitely not. I'm not really a Bitcoin maxi. I'm actually kind of upset about Bitcoin going up so high, but I don't know, man.
I don't know.
It's I'm just
think
saying that
you're
it's,
trying to get
I'm not against. I'm
rational.
not for it or. Yeah, I'm not for it or against it. I'm just saying, like,
You're identifying
it's fucking
the
stupid.
irrationality.
It's stupid, ridiculous.
Yeah,
I'm not saying it can't
that's
be
crypto.
profitable because it obviously can. I'm just saying it's stupid, ridiculous.
Yeah. Yeah. It just, yeah, like I think a lot of people missed out on just a lot of opportunity by having that mindset that they shouldn't touch anything that's ridiculous when you can play them. You can play these things. You just got to keep it, sensible. Like, don't go extreme with it. But yeah, I guess you just got to understand that it's high risk, of course.
Yeah, like when Bonk
But
came out,
there's
I was like,
opportunities
that
there,
sounds
man.
retarded.
It
Like when
does.
Bonk came out, I was like,
Yeah.
that sounds retarded. And
That's
I
why I
didn't even look at
shorted
the chart.
it.
Had I looked at the chart, it could have been a
Yeah.
fucking wicked,
Dude,
nice play.
that's why I shorted the crap out of it, because it was a ridiculous name, and it did go down. But, dude, it got pumped like crazy, and it's still holding a lot of that value of that pump as well.
Bonk is a new Bitcoin. Quote me on this.
Oh, what's up, B? What's up, B?
What's up, B? Wasabi.
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 Oh, whiff. Getting a whiff.
That should definitely be a fucking character of yours' name.
Oh.
Wasabi.
Wasabi. Yeah, wife's home.
Dog whiff hat. Dog barking.
Yeah.
So anyway, if there's a rumor that they're gonna be listing whiff on fucking Robinhood, then maybe I'll go buy some just because I know that if and when it ever does get listed, which it took Sheeb 100 years to get listed. If and when it ever does get listed, there's gonna be a bunch of retards like at the very first stage just going and fucking buying the shit out of it.
Yep.
And then I can sell it to them.
Cool.
So
there's that.
That's what's cool about those meme coins, is that you can't underestimate the power of stupid people in large numbers.
Well, it's not anything to do with its fundamentals, man. I feel it's to do with its market cap. Like, they're so cheap. Their market caps are like, sub $50 million. It only takes a couple of whales to come in and really ignite a pump in it, And why not ride some of that if it's gonna do it,
Yeah, but they're gonna just take everybody's money in the end.
Well, in the end, yes. But are you gonna sit out out of principle? Like, are you gonna sit out of it because it's
You might
ridiculous?
as well not trade at all.
Yeah, you might.
No,
as well.
but if they're gonna, like, if you're in before the move and you catch somewhere near the top, great. But then, like, you're like, oh, I'm gonna buy the dip. You get into that whole fucking DOGE situation. It's like the whales already dumped on everybody. They bought way before you even knew what the fuck it was, and they sold to you at the top, and then you're buying their bags on the way down.
Yep, that's
because
right.
they're getting rid of it, and then you just gotta be stuck there holding something that's not profitable forever.
Mm-hmm.
It's not fun.
Do you think that that's the theme of the market right now? You think that the memes that have gone up to where they're at are ready to just go into their bear markets?
Nah, I think that's like real fucking mania phase type.
Yeah,
shit.
that's
we're not even there yet.
Bitcoin price discovery phase type stuff, and we ain't.
We need quantitative easing and like free money from the government and all that shit.
I mean, that could easily just be by today.
It could. Yeah. There's no guarantees of anything, eh? Really could.
Yeah, what the fuck is Whiff even doing?
Well, you are gonna die.
If Whiff is down far enough, I'll buy some. Like if it's dropping.
That is a guarantee.
This move that we made, this is it, guys. I'm there. I know, like I don't know why.
You're strapped in.
I'm not trying to second guess this here.
Definitely
This has been
right now.
absolutely strong. This move has been so strong.
What are you talking about? Which one?
Bitcoin.
Oh, Bitcoin.
The whole
yeah,
market.
Yeah. Oh, dude, 100%.
We have the stock market all-time highs.
I don't think
Do we
moves
not
like
expect
what we've seen.
Bitcoin not to do it?
I don't think this happens for no reason and just stops and then that's it. Leading up to all of these factors playing in. You know how like there's the narrative that feeds into the trend? Like in the bear market, there was all these narrative points that just perpetuated the sell-off. Like you had Luna, you had Celsius, and I'm not saying these are just news stories, these are real things that happened. FTX, like all of that. And then just like in a bull run, you get positive things that influence the price higher. It's like the narrative points.
Yeah, there's always someone. There's always something being mentioned about some coin somewhere.
Yeah. And I think like at the moment, if you're gonna spit out like an article about something negative, I don't think it's gonna really catch, because the
Like,
market is heading in
this-
a direction that favors positive news, I guess.
Look, indicators are all over the place. I mean, the only thing that matters is how fast your RSIs and your Stokes are curling back down
Right.
to the ground and pulling back up. The ciphers all over the place. It doesn't matter. Like, things are all over the place. The only thing that
Yeah.
matters is trend lines and the euphoria, momentum.
Yeah, I agree. Yeah, is Bitcoin going to do anything with this fresh month? And with how strong February was, like, what does that mean? Who the hell was loading up on Bitcoin like that? What do they see for the next 6 months? Like, why would you do that? Why would you load up on Bitcoin at this level if something big isn't around the corner? Like, why would you buy it up to 65, like, or 64, whatever the hell the high was? What's the point of doing that?
I mean, I think there's the whole supply shock thing, and like the
Yeah.
last idiot in, it was like a rotten egg.
Right. So there's this kind of urgency to make a position before things take off, like, you know, all-time high price
Yeah.
discovery. Like, there's
It's
an urgency
like
about it.
people with fuck you money, like they don't care if they're buying local tops because they know
Right.
it's not the macro top, which we all know
Exactly.
that too.
Well, that's,
Trying
yeah.
to maximize their buying power, and they're not letting us do that.
Yep. It's yeah, obviously everything is still just a play of probabilities, right? But the probabilities are, I think, in favor of up big time. Can a downside happen? Yes, totally possible. It's always possible to have some kind of tragic move down. Always.
Yep.
And this is what stop
one of-
losses are for.
It's a characteristic of crypto.
Yeah.
Posted a
And
video.
fuck stop losses. If you got shit on spot that you like, then fucking just let it get cheaper.
Mm.
Build a bigger position. It's really, for me, really more so. It's not about like what my average cost is or whatever. It's like how big of a bag do I have before this shit really takes off.
Yeah.
How many coins do I have in my bag? That's all that
million.
matters to me. If I've got something that I think could go to $1, that I really think could go to $1, you know, and I've got 1 million of them, fucking awesome. I'm a millionaire already.
A million bajillion.
Jesus, I'm getting fucking lit up.
My issue with that mentality is that like every alt that people were buying before is like underperforming like crazy. Instead of being even better
Oh yeah.
now, it's like worse.
Yeah, well, you get, first of all, we're not in the same stage that we were back then. Second of all, I don't necessarily think that every altcoin that was popular last season is going to be popular this season. I'm trying to get in on some new stuff that's going to be popular.
Ah, I see. But
I'm
that's what I'm
trying to
saying.
tell
like,
you, silly.
dollar cost averaging into like the older alts that were around last time is
Oh,
kind of
I agree with B on that.
Yeah,
ones
that's
that
probably
were
like
hot
only
last season?
20% of my portfolio.
Like DOGE was hot last
To be
season.
honest.
It got massive. It is still quite massive market cap. Can it really give you that crazy like 10x performance? Like, I don't know.
Yeah, well,
It
let me
costs
put
a
it
lot.
this way.
Loans were
I
dollar.
bought basically everything I sold in the last bull market. I picked back up the same amount of coins, so I have the same size bag, but like for 1/10 of the price, and I'm just holding that. The rest of what I'm investing is newer stuff. that I think is gonna like outperform the older stuff.
See, the problem with all that is, to me, is that I think that 10 years from now, more than half of these coins won't even exist anymore.
Yeah,
Oh,
it's probably
Yes.
gonna be more like
Whiff just
90%.
dudes. Whiff just
Much
took
so.
off. Woof.
I bought them at 200 times less than
Look at Whiff,
Rick
man.
Watts.
2 years ago.
Yeah, Sol and Whiff.
Definitely pumping.
Holy crap, dude. That was a big candle up. On like the.
That's because you said whiff on your stream, and you're streaming to so many people that.
Not really. What? How many people are on my? I haven't looked at it.
I needed to move
11
because it went
people.
right back to my entry.
One of them's Elon Musk.
One of us. One of us. Okay, Whiff's in high discovery now. It's looking for new highs maybe, unless it's trying to do a swing fail.
See Turbo.
Dude,
Just all your
There we
trend
go.
lines on top
Dude,
of your wicks.
I went in 2x on Whiff. This is incredible.
Me too.
Dude,
Before
2x
10x.
with a huge.
I'm growling cats
with a
like
huge
turbo.
bag. Holy crap!
I miss those songs, dude. We need to play them more.
Yeah, I need to get some more. I'm gonna make some more.
S'mores. I like
The
s'mores, but you
classics.
get
I
that
lose
black
it all, then get it back. I just want to buy a Lambo, invest in crypto. That's a fact.
from the back. From the back.
So
Yeah, Whiff too,
I
dude.
sent you a
Whiff is
DM,
taking off.
Rick.
Yeah.
Once you're done looking at Whiff. No. Keep looking at Whiff.
You want to see what I'm doing on? Oh, I don't know if I should.
I'm up 22% on it right now.
Yeah, I'm up 10%. It's not too bad.
I might take that
Yeah, I'm gonna lock this
right
in.
here.
Yeah, I've locked it in. Hell yeah, dude. Good little impulsive move. Whatever happens to it, if it goes up 300% from here, that's cool. But
Oh,
just
it
lock
may.
that in.
It's about to fall off a cliff, but I'm not willing to risk what I just, the
Sure.
profit I just made.
I'm
on it.
glad you spoke because that reminded me to, not let it, not let it come back and miss the. Oh yeah, dude,
Yeah.
Soul.
Come on, Jazz. I knew Jazz was gonna recover. Fuck
Soul's
yeah, let's
gonna
go.
rip.
Let's go.
Do you believe yet? Do you believe, Kwai? 600?
Yeah,
No.
dude. I just
Uh,
locked.
October?
I just-
No, get
400,
off my porch.
400
made,
maybe
right there. It's gonna
in like 2 years.
go. But couldn't
Thanks.
leave
It
without
took-
me.
I gotta
A
say
month for
thanks
it to
to
go.
you, KG. There. Thank you
Oh.
for alerting me to Whiff.
Bam.
We're going crazy.
Yeah, no, I made like 10%.
I was
Took it
screaming
around.
about Soul.
But Soul's, dude, yeah, Soul's looking great too right now.
I'm
Oh, yeah.
so confident in this trade here.
I'm going to Soul right now, having a look.
So dedicated right now.
When we were
Just a
making
big
that move
cat.
down, I was trying to say in the chat that the candle movements were so reminiscent of the time we did the same drop before the huge rip back in the bull run. It was everything looked the same, felt the same, and I was like, "Oh my god, this is it."
I can feel it.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm up $4 on my Dogecoin
Oh,
position.
dude.
So
Yeah.
I fucking I believe.
You're
I have
rolling it,
I have
man.
100 Dogecoin. Dude, you guys don't even understand. I'm gonna be the one laughing. I have 100 Dogecoin, all right? When Dogecoin hits $10,000, I'm gonna be a millionaire, and I'm
10,000.
gonna be the one laughing. Okay, you guys have your laugh now, with your silly and your soul, whatever.
Stupid meme coins.
Your dog with hat.
Dog
Just
with
you
that.
wait. When Dogecoin goes to $10,000, I'm gonna be the one laughing because I'll be a millionaire.
Well,
Well,
you know how you were you know how you were trying to talk down Whiff before, Kwai? I went
Yeah.
in I went in 2x
With
heavy
that.
with that off you talking it down, and I just made like 10% on my fucking you get the drift.
Watch your damn mouth, bro.
Yeah, well, no one ever went broke taking profits, but yeah. Anyway, I'm not tracking. I'm really not tracking with. Like I don't give a shit. People trade whatever. I'm not trying to hate on it.
Yeah.
I'm just saying that whole category is retarded.
It is. Yeah, I agree. But doesn't mean you can't play it.
Yeah, just go take people's money. Just go take people's money. That's it. That's what it's good for.
Back in the whiff of it.
Yeah.
Because they will give it to you. Trust me.
Oh, nice KG. Look at that. That's a beauty. Good snapshot.
How come? Hey, what up, Z?
How much would my 60,000 Doges be?
Whoa.
At 10 grand?
Hey Rick, you remember when we were looking at the pattern before and it bounced off, it did like a triple bottom off the tail of the dragon?
Mm-hmm. Oh, yes. Yes.
Z, you will have $600 million, my friend. That's $500 million. More than $500 million.
Oh,
whiff.
Yeah, Whiff, man. Whiff's doing really well. Holy
Don't let it go without you.
Yeah, Whiff's rocking, dude.
Yeah, dude. How's Jazz doing? She's still
pulling up.
Yeah. Okay. I think
I might have missed my last chance.
I don't think Jazz needs to sign off. I think it'll just wait for another turn, you know. But yeah, Whiff. Well done to whoever's like riding that Whiff train, because I took profit on it, but that's not to say that it can't keep going.
I'm up how much
I'm
Solana right now?
I'm in Soul now. Definitely in Soul right now. Hell yeah.
Jazz is actually.
Watch your speed.
That's 2 quick separate trades. Not bad.
I don't know if I should.
20%,
Hold on.
21.
Did we get a 15 close above this? Yeah. I think I might add a little. This might be my last chance to add to the long. Because that might have been the last dip it does before it goes up higher.
Is this a hint for what they want to do with the March candle? Are we marching?
Maybe, or at least the first 2 weeks or something. Maybe. The first week.
Set the sentiment.
Well,
set the stage.
That's usually.
Well, that's usually.
So the point I was trying to make before with the triple bottoms, if you look at the bigger time frames on like 6, 8, or 12 hours, where I first mentioned that the diamond pattern hit off with the dragon, those dips actually came down to the support line that we first saw on the smaller time frames. So it's kind of playing out the same thing.
Oh yeah. Just trying to see what.
Never doubt Osaka.
Did you hold your Solana, Rick?
Yeah, dude. I'm still
in
it.
the Salem zone.
Did you check your DM?
Oh, let me see.
This guy talking about fucking Osaka.
Wasaki.
He was the one who alerted Doge first. I mean, not Doge, with Robinhood.
You, dude.
That's where I saw it.
Oh, yeah. Well, when you said that, man, I jumped on it and... Yeah. Thank you for that call out. It was great.
Guys, Soul.
Yeah, Soul Train, dude.
Soul Train.
Take it easy.
Finally, Jasmine is on the green.
Yeah, Jazz is about to fucking break out, guys. Like that's the real play.
You see the pitch on it compared to the picture, Rick? How much more aggressive it is on the chart at the moment?
Oh yeah.
On Solana.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Yeah. Do it for me again. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
I don't know what's up with Soul.
It deserves it.
Doing exactly what it needs to be doing.
Like Turbo said, it's ahead. It's ahead. Because
Soul
of
is just
LVSDF
so.
stuff, it's ahead.
Well, I just hit
Showing
the top
us
of
the
the
way.
right here. I'm just saying. if it flips this, it's gonna go.
Where did B go? I wanted
so-
to. I didn't get a chance to do
Right
that.
I've sold back in I've sold back in
Yeah,
September.
maybe right shoulder. Right.
Why did he sell? Come on, man. Oh,
Looks like we
dude,
passed
crypto is
over.
not dead.
We passed over.
$3,000 on that XRP, dude. Well done. That is epic. Hell yeah.
I've sold back in September.
I've
Fuck
sold
yeah.
back in September.
I've sold back in September.
If you've sold back in September, that's a little early. I don't know.
Sold the bottom, bro.
Cool, we bought the tops. Even up for it.
I did.
The tops.
I always buy the tops.
Oh yeah.
Dude,
I
did you see how much mail I had? That's fucking ridiculous.
What's ridiculous?
How much mail I had?
Oh,
I haven't checked the answers here till today.
Don't be ridiculous.
Where's Crispy? Brother
I don't know.
Chris.
He just texted me a little while ago. I don't know why he's not in here though.
Is there a constant background of crickets?
Oh, there's Mattress. What's
No.
up, Mattress?
mattress.
Oh, never
That
mind,
means he's
that
got
was,
twins.
that was some sound coming out of my phone.
Oh.
It sounded like constant crickets because it's like,
Not an iPhone.
relaxing music. So I heard a cricket. I was like, what's going on?
I hear crickets aren't relaxing, Luke.
Is the Soul Train still chugga chugga chugga?
Woo-hoo.
Is it?
Run a train on that hoe.
The Soul Train. What's the target? You think that 143 turbo?
I gotta go. I'll catch you
That's
later.
that.
I don't know. I'm
Oh,
on my
see you,
trigger
man.
for whiff. Give me
Trigger
one
finger itching.
segundo.
When are you coming
Yeah.
back? Oh yeah, that's right. You're still riding that whiff train, dude.
Yeah.
Epic. It's up
For
18%.
whiff.
Ah, yeah. Whiff, dude.
18% in an hour.
With or without you.
Oof.
Let me get on some whiff, dude. What's going on?
I take a whiff.
Going on with this?
Take a little whiff.
Take a little whiff. Take a little whiff. Take a little whiff with me. This thing, dude. Jesus Christ.
Jesus.
Cheese and
God.
rice. Yeah, right.
Yeah,
I'm not gonna
God.
long that.
Why? It's going to the moon. It's a dog coin. What the hell you think?
It's
So-
a dog coin.
No,
I'm
wait for
seeing
it to
right
cool
there.
off a little bit.
Well, I'm gonna get it then. It'll be done. What, you
I mean,
crazy?
yeah, it's,
Some kind
it's,
of dog?
it's top wiki at the moment, isn't it? With
Yeah,
Wiki.
top wick.
That one.
Yeah.
Wait, hold on.
Solana, on the other hand,
Yeah, Solana is trying
What
to
the
get a
fuck?
breakout of that high from
1
yesterday.
075.
Are we
is-
not
Will, man.
entertained?
Soul's looking
oh,
good.
I'm very entertained. I bought the top earlier on, and I'm in profit.
Nice, man.
Mm. I always buy
That's
the top of
wild.
the right ear.
Oh, dude, Pisket.
It's
No,
funny how it
I hope he
happened.
got out of his short.
You
Oh,
should have listened. I
who's
told him there was a
shorting?
cat.
Come on,
Pisket.
dude.
Not a good idea.
Look for longs, guys. It's a freaking bull market. But, no financial advice. I'm just saying.
No.
Things are very strong upward. Things are very strong.
Solana's about to bust its tie right now.
It's about to bust
yeah,
a nut.
Probably.
Could
1.075
get this
on
new
whiff.
high.
Get a little bit more, I think.
Yeah, it needs a little more to crack yesterday's high. Yesterday's high was 134.88.
I'll be back in a little bit.
Local high.
Alright, I'll be back in a little bit.
Local high on Solana spot is like 134.65.
Yeah, the local high. Yep.
Are we gonna call their
See if we can
girlfriends?
get the crack, the bust out, the breakout, Soul Train.
How do I hear
Whether it's
music?
just like a test of a high.
Oh, that's why.
And nice KG. That's epic. Yeah, I can see a 143 happening. I mean, that would just to go back to TA. Let's go to the weekly chart. Look at that high from March of 2022. 2 years later, visiting the same or approaching the same peak could be a nice, like, you know, a 2-year situation. Look at that 2-year scoop. Big scoop.
Doobie doobie doo. Why trade you? You're just
So
not a shitcoin.
grabbing a line on that.
Oh wow. Look at that.
Yeah.
It's copying the other side.
Yeah, dude, it's like it's copying the other side. Yeah.
Son of a
So
bitch.
if it doesn't mirror like perfectly here, does that mean it goes up there? This goes up. If this is a mirror, this does this kind of thing, you know, like that.
Yeah, my friend, that goes down.
It's a mirror.
Then it goes up.
No, but look at the mirror. Like,
Yeah.
you've
Yeah,
got
but look at the dip
high
before it
point,
goes up.
high point.
We haven't done the dip
Yeah.
yet.
J hook backwards.
Yeah, we have done the dip. What are you talking about?
It's a big
On the-
old
Right
I'm
there.
on
We
3
just
day.
circled it.
an inverse
But
head
we're
and
nowhere near
shoulder
the
type
dip.
situation.
Oh.
Like,
Like, what's
I'm on
the,
3 day.
weekly?
Hold on.
Yeah, we could dip on that for sure.
Let me see. Yeah, I mean, it might not be like it's a big candle, yeah, or big time frame.
Yeah, Solana did that dip to 80 or something like that.
right. It matches the dip.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
we gotta make a W here. We haven't made a W yet. Kind
Which
of thing,
W
type
you
shit.
talking
Maybe.
about? Oh,
Maybe it's already got it done. I don't know.
I don't know.
I'm on phone. It's really hard to see both sides of it on the weekly.
Yeah.
Maybe
Yeah,
monthly.
it's questionable. But
If it's your daily cat, it's over.
you're gonna rip.
I have
If it's a
faith.
cat, inverted cat with a failed tail, you're gonna rip. That's all I know.
I'm not saying we're going down. It's just it just does another loop before it goes up.
What are you
I'm just
eating,
being
man?
cautious.
Sounds like
Oh, so sorry.
butter
I'm so bad. I forgot I was on my button.
is it peanut
I'm
butter
eating,
tortilla?
No, what is it? Naan bread with garlic butter and cheese melted on top.
Damn, I forgot about the peanut butter tortilla. Tia. Oh, the inverted head and shoulders right there might take you up there.
But yeah, YouTube, that
Kinda
cup and
sounds
handle
like
for
peanut butter.
Solana,
It's like sticking to the roof of your mouth.
that cup and
It's
handle
got high
breakout,
viscosity.
it happened. Freaking happened, dude.
Cup and handle
The
breakout.
triangle
Cup
on
and handle?
Solana breakout on the daily, it happened.
It's a freaking inverse head and shoulders, man. Jeez. Especially you guys with all these new freaking shapes and
You mean
dinosaurs.
this thing? Yeah, that thing happened.
All right, that brings us to dinosaurs.
Rick, there's another one on the 1 minute.
143, 142,
Fucking
598.
dragons and Dalai Lamas and shit.
Want to give somebody shit about some cats? We just come up with everything. It's all the same shape. You just give it different names, I guess. Loving it. I'm not criticizing. I do whatever I want. I do what I do, and you do what you can do about it.
Had a reaction off yesterday's high price, seemingly. Yesterday's high bumped down.
Yeah, because you just got inverse head and shoulders you just drew.
Mm-hmm.
It's going to try to make a head and shoulders now from it.
Right. Flipping it, yeah.
And then
But
that head and
it can-
shoulders will determine the 0.5 of that move. And then if it
But-
continues, you'll fall from the head and shoulders. But it can easily, in a tail, which I think we're in, invert it right back into a bigger invert head and shoulders.
Look at this nasty
And
one.
rip
that
out of
happened
there.
last night.
Well, this
Yes.
brings us to 143-ish.
That
Yeah,
one played
exactly.
out.
Good. Yeah.
Look,
This
look at
head and
that
shoulder
beautiful.
inverse right here.
Look at that beautiful one that played out. Very textbook. And hit the target, like the measured move, I would say.
It also brings us back to 90. Crazy.
It didn't quite
Somehow.
actually, no, that did not hit the target. It sort of fell short of the target, but it did produce.
Because it turned into an inverse. You see it? The bigger one? You have left shoulder from the top. You just went down to the head.
Right. And then now we're figuring
And now,
out. Yeah. Like
now you're
this
probably making a
uniqueness.
right shoulder. Yep. Just an Elliott wave, man. Just a bigger wave and a bigger wave. I mean, if we go much faster, I'm down.
Hmm. I feel like my streams don't need music now. Just
Yeah, I just had to turn it off. I was like, where's the music coming from?
talking. Yeah. I'm just doesn't need it.
I didn't know where it was coming from.
Oh right, yeah. It's just this slow beat. Well, that's cool. Thanks for tuning in, YouTube. I just wanted to capture the close of the Feb candle and the open of the March candle. So catch